I'm recording you. Look how big he's getting, y'all. Oh my gosh.
Justin, get on here.
God.
Hold on. Holding on, Tristan? Yeah.
Careful.
I am.
Uh-oh. Baby down.
Ready? Go!
Aww.
Ready? Go! High five!
Oh my gosh. Look at him.
Ready? Go!
Oh, so you cheated.
Ready? Go! High five!
You're being a puppy now. Aww. Hi.
Mommy!
Yeah? Go. Okay, ready?
Wait,
Okay, ready, set, go.
High five!
Hey y'all, hey, happy Friday. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. So I just got the kids ready for the day. I have to take them outside just so they can play for a little bit. Oh, my screen. Okay. And I think I gotta charge my battery. I have to take them outside just so they can play, get some fresh air for a little bit before it gets super, super hot. So I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. I took the braids out, so I'm gonna do another style come this week. It was wash day, so I had to wash it and all that good stuff this week. No, Tristan. So I had to take her braids out to wash it and detangle it. So y'all let me know what style I should do next. Aw. Here, let's say cheese.
Cheese.
Aw.
Cheese.
Aw. Y'all funny. Aw, my babies. Aw. So yeah. So y'all let me know what hairstyle I should do for my hair next. But y'all, baby boy, isn't he talking so much? Like, he is talking a lot more. So I got a message on Instagram asking about an update on his speech. If you guys want a video explaining like what we've been doing and all that, I'll be glad to do that, so let me know. But in this vlog, I just want you guys to hear. Yeah?
Do it. Sissy. Mommy,
Yeah.
Sissy.
He's saying a lot more, and I'm just so happy because y'all know I was a little worried because I was like, oh my gosh, like, talk to me, baby boy. But he is talking a lot more, and it's just so cute. Like, I love how he calls her Sissy. When he was a baby, like, we just started calling, you know, her his Sissy and everything, so it kind of just stuck, and now he calls her Sissy, and it's so cute. Yeah. Oh, you bouncing with Sissy. Bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing. Bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing. Okay. Whoa, be careful. So yeah, we have a lot to get done today. So I want to get this house cleaned up. Then I got to finish up the closet. The closet's pretty much done. Yay! So if you guys would like the full tour on Monday, let me know down below so that way I can record this weekend. So I told you guys on Instagram that my lens broke. So if I don't get it today or by tomorrow, then I'll just use my vlogging camera to record it. But if you guys would like it on Monday, let me know down below and I'll record it for you guys. All right, so yeah, so I have to clean up, get the closet cleaned up, vacuum and all that good stuff. right, dinner is served. So tonight we're having shrimp and grits. Ooh, y'all, this stuff is about to be so good. Oh my goodness. So this is the big guy's plate. He's ready to eat, but I can't wait to eat. I'm about to get my plate. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Followed a new recipe on Pinterest because the last time I didn't add bacon. Did I add? Do you remember if I added bacon last time?
No, you never added bacon.
Oh, okay, yeah, I figured. Oh, what's going on this light? So yeah, I followed a new recipe this time because I realized after eating shrimp and grits at, what restaurant did I go to? The last time I ate shrimp and grits, which it's been a while since I ate shrimp and grits, but I remember the last time I ate it in a restaurant, I saw that they had bacon in it and it was absolutely delicious. And I'm like, why didn't I add that? So then I followed a new recipe and I was like, oh, that is why. Now I'm about to get in my belly. So right now the stove is a mess right now, so I don't want to show you guys, but I guess let me get it on my plate. And then I'll let you guys know how it tastes, and if it tastes really good and you love shrimp and grits, if you're looking for easy and quick recipe, I'll leave it down below so you guys can check it out. Because I don't know, even just eating the shrimp by itself, I was just like, bro, that's some good stuff. So let me get my plate together and then I'll come back and let you guys know how it was. This is so cool. Shout out to the world's best dad. This is pretty cool. Okay, so Maddie painted this. She painted the colors that she wanted. And you want to tell them what it is? No, like, no, tell them what Daddy's building for you.
A gymnastics bar, and the colors are blue, a purple, and a different purple and yellow. Those are the colors.
All right, so what are you going to be doing on this gymnastics bar?
Flips and also walking, but you have to like put the bar low, and then you like put your feet on the bar, and then you put your feet on the bar, and then you roll around like this. It makes you keep your balance, and you also like grab onto the bar and like flip over the bar.
It's not, Maddie.
Daddy, will it fall?
Well, if you're nervous, then just wait until Daddy can make it solid and make the adjustments. Hey, there you go. Work on your pull-ups.
No.
Get that upper body strength going. I wish I can do that. Maybe I'll use her bar to do that.
You can, I did. Bar mask.
Go. Good job, girl. Woo! Yay! Up. Good job. Up. Good girl. Is that fun, bud?
I don't know how.
I mean, is there a way to...
Man, he's got a bunch of wood lights on his side.
Whee! Whoa! Want to show them the hat that we got yesterday?
What?
Yeah. Want to put it on?
Yeah.
Here. Yeah. Say hello, ladies. Say hello, ladies. And it matches your PJs too. He's funny. So anyways, you guys, about to get ready for the night and get ready for bed. We had a good day today. We didn't do much because, you know, quarantine life be like, you don't really do much. But we stayed in the house and then got some work done and all that good stuff. So like I said, if you guys would like the closet tour on Monday or sometime this week, let me know down below, because I want to go ahead and start getting stuff being in bins and all over the place. I'm ready to get it organized and stuff, so I'll do like the tour of it, and then I'll probably do like an organization video, like to show you guys how I, you know, organize and put it all together. So if you guys would like that, give me a big thumbs up and let me know down below if you guys would like to see that. And yeah, so that is it for today. I hope you guys had a wonderful and great weekend. Let me know down below what you are doing, and we shall see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Please.
Tristan, want to say goodnight?
Night.
Want to say goodnight?
Night.
Oh, alright, you guys. Good night.